good evening, everybody. I'm Nandan.
And I'm Isha. We will be your host for today.
We are living in a period of rapid change driven by innovation and technology. Our ability to absorb and use related information will depend on how fast and how often we learn. An important step in learning is the ability to efficiently use your knowledge and skills to turn relevant problems to innovative solutions, which would benefit the world and bring about a meaningful change in society.
Hackathons encourage creative thinking and provide a platform to use your skills and knowledge to come up with unique and innovative ideas. Hackathons offer the chance for people in same industry to come together and learn from each other's successes and failures. Professionals get to meet and collaborate, solve problems, share skills, and help build better products.
On this note, we welcome each and every one of you to Hackulus 21, a 24-hour hackathon organized by ScienceVIT, which aims to highlight creative and modern solutions to real-world problems. But first, let us take a moment to brief you about the conducting chapter ScienceVIT.
Society for Industrial and Applied Mathematics, SIAM, is an international chapter with a community of more than 14,000 individuals. It is present only in 5 colleges across the country, with VIT being the only private institution to feature it. Our main goal is to advance the application of applied mathematics and computational science to engineering, industry, science, and society. We have successfully conducted events like Mathathon, which had a total participation of 1,000 students, and premium events like VIT's Got Talent, for which we had actor Shubham Gaur as our chief guest.
But rest assured, math isn't all we do. We aim to provide numerous opportunities to students in as many fields as possible. And with great opportunities come great experiences. Many people have the misconception that we are only a mathematical chapter. However, we are a technical chapter and we dive into the various technical domains like AI, ML, web dev, app dev, etc. and aim to find technical solutions to real world problems. So that's all about ScienceVIT.
Now let us know about the Hackulus. Hackulus is the first ever virtual, thrill-binding 24-hour hackathon for coders to flaunt their programming vigor.
The creation of a beginner friendly and inclusive hackathon is what makes it stand out from the crowd. Now, let us briefly explore the various tracks in Hackulus 21.
Open innovation. Open innovation uses knowledge, technical skills, and creativity to provide solutions to real world problems by expanding markets.
Cybersecurity. It includes building of impenetrable shields against malicious cyber attacks and saves years of reputation from being destroyed within a few minutes.
Artificial intelligence. There's no limit to the expansion of AI. It comprises the most advanced technologies and provides technical solutions as never before.
Fintech. The aim of financial technology is to improve activities in finance and make financial services more accessible to the general public.
Beginners category. It is an exclusive track for beginners that uses knowledge, technical skills, and creativity to provide out of the box inventive solutions and showcase the skill. So, these are the tracks of Hackulus 21.
The excitement, of course, does not end here.
The top three overall prizes for the Pro category include Rs 20,000 for the first position, Rs 15,000 for the second position, and Rs 10,000 for the third position.
The top three overall prizes for the beginners category include Rs 5,000 for the first position, Rs 3,000 for the second position, and Rs 2,000 for the third position.
Winners for each respective track would receive Rs 4,000 as prizes. Winners for Best Design under the Pro category and Best Idea and Best Design under the Beginner category would receive software licenses, coupons, and other goodies as well.
Well, we have another surprise for you. Our community partners, Echo AR and Consulting, and our sponsor, Samanati, would be conducting various industrial challenges.
Winners of the challenges from Samunati and Consulting would be offered internship opportunities as well as receive swag bags and other goodies. so do check it out. Please note that if you complete the challenge, you may submit that as your final work and you would still be eligible for the hackathon prizes. To know more, head over to the Special Challenges channel in our Discord server.
But before we commence with the first round of Hackulus 21, let us mention the necessary submission rules and the do's and don'ts for the same.
Once the hackathon starts, you will get an option to submit your hack. You can submit your hack as many times as you want, but the last submission shall be considered for evaluation.
You are required to submit a video of not more than 4 minutes explaining your project and a GitHub repository link for the same. Please note that if the length of your submitted video is more than 4 minutes, your project won't be considered for evaluation.
Please note that you are expected to come up with new and innovative ideas. Any idea that has been copied from somewhere will be disqualified. Please note that if any of the winning teams are found to have indulged in any of the malpractice, Siam VIT reserves the right to revoke the prizes for the respective team.
Your project must be developed entirely during the hackathon duration. You may use open source libraries and other freely available systems and services such as Google Maps, Facebook Connect, Twitter feeds, etc.
The deadline for submission of your project is at 4 p.m. tomorrow. We request you to make your submissions on time as late submissions would not be accepted. The final interview would be conducted starting 6 p.m. and the results for the Hackulus would be declared by 8:30 p.m.
Please note that you will be allotted categories based on your profile and submitted project. Throughout the duration of Hackulus, you will be guided and mentored by top experts in leading technical domains such as web dev, app dev, machine learning, data structures, etc.
You may find the timeline on our official website. Link for the same is given in the description below. Meanwhile, here's a quick run through of our agenda.
The first technical session at 9 p.m., ML with TensorFlow, would be conducted by our mentor, Jason Mize, Senior Developer Advocate for TensorFlow.js and a machine learning expert at Google. He is a well-known personality in several technical domains and has been a recipient of various accolades like Leap Motion Developer and the NAO Robot Developer Program.
We then dive in the world of AR and VR apps by learning how to build one in the next session at 10 p.m. conducted by Mr. Alan Grinspoon, who is the CEO and founder of Echo AR. His session will help participants to quickly create VR and AR apps with no technical skills or coding required and scale existing apps by connecting them to the cloud.
The world is undergoing a huge transition from 4G to 5G. But what is 5G and what are its advantages? That's exactly what we would explore in our next session tomorrow at 10 a.m. on 5G applications, conducted by our esteemed mentor, Mr. Ganesh Harinath, Vice President and CTO, 5G MEC. He has been focused on making strategies and building revenue-generating AI-based products for Verizon and Verizon Media. His session would be on how 5G edge intelligent applications would help enhance human experience in the future, citing specific examples and how all of us can play a part in this amazing ecosystem.
Just got started in coding and confused how to proceed in your path to being a skilled developer? No worries, as our next session, Roadmap to Coding at 12 p.m., would tackle just that. This session would be conducted by Mr. Navdeep Sandhu, instructor and content developer at Coding Ninjas.
Data structures and algorithms is the most important skill a developer must possess. And our next session, Intro to DSA at 5 p.m., would help you get a head start in the world of DSA. This session would be conducted by Rahul Singla, Associate Mentor at Geek for Geeks, a platform containing millions of articles, live as well as online lectures, thousands of tutorials, and much more.
This event would not have been possible without the support of our official sponsors and event partners. So, presenting to you our sponsors and partners for the event. Our first sponsor, Share India, is an organization which acts as a distributor of insurance, mutual funds, and IPOs.
Our next sponsor, Samunati, is an agri-value chain solutions provider that enables growth in the value chain of the agricultural ecosystem.
Our media partner, VIT Spot, is a digital media platform based in Vellore Institute of Technology, created to bring ease into the lives of all students of VIT.
Our next media partner, NoticeBoard, provides a notice board like application for educational opportunities and events for students to take informed and inspired career decisions.
Our streaming partner, Streamyard, is an inexpensive browser based platform that allows live or recorded streaming through users' existing social media platforms.
Our education partner, Coding Ninjas, is a one stop destination for learning core technical skills such as data structures, algorithms, web development, Java, etc. Coding Ninjas teaches 17 plus programming courses in foundation and advanced data and development.
Our education partner, Geek for Geeks, is an all in one computer science portal which provides students with well explained articles and quizzes on various CS core concepts.
A community partner, Consulting, is an organization which helps those who come from non traditional backgrounds to get them into their dream careers.
Our community partner, Echo AR, is a cloud platform for augmented reality and virtual reality that provides tools and server side infrastructure to help developers and companies quickly build and deploy 3D apps and content. Echo AR would be providing free access to all business plan features upon registering on the platform to all the participants.
A community partner, Sketch, is a vector graphics editor platform built to help you create your best work, from your earliest ideas through to your final artwork. Sketch would also be providing 50% off on the license fee to all the participants.
Our community partner, Interview Cake, is an online learning platform that offers free programming interview questions to practice. Interview Cake would also be providing 30-day free access pass for all our attendees.
A community partner, Replit, is a simple yet powerful online IDE, compiler, interpreter, and REPL server. You can code in 50 plus languages in REPL without any hassle, as it's loaded with features. In fact, Replit would be providing 3 months of free access to all attendees.
Our community partner, Taskate, is an all in one collaboration platform for remote teams. You can brainstorm, manage your activity, create a task, list and track the activity of your teammates, and customize things according to your requirements. Taskate would also be providing free upgrades to Taskate premium subscriptions.
A community partner, Egghead, is your source for building amazing portfolio projects which you need to climb the career ladder as a modern web developer. Egghead would also be providing free access to 10 projects for a year, starting from the subscription date to all the attendees.
Our community partner, Wolfram Research, is the organization behind the Wolfram language, a general multi paradigm programming language which emphasizes symbolic computation, functional programming, and rule based programming, and can employ arbitrary structures and data as well.
Our platform partner, Hackulus, is a coding platform to let students participate in hiring contests, improve their skills, and also enable them to participate in other development based events.
Please note that the links for the free software licenses and services, as mentioned before, would be provided in due time.
We would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our sponsors and event partners for supporting us and making this event possible.
It is now time to commence with the first round of Hackulus 21. We would like to remind you that all the updates and doubt clarifications would be posted on the Discord server. Do join it in case you haven't already. Link for the same is posted in the description below.
So put on your innovative caps and let us begin the first round of Hackulus 21. All the best to all the participants and happy hacking